Hi, Chris Lehman here today to talk to you about H.H. Barnum VMI programs. How many of you are machine builders or end users that are constantly running out of product and calling up McMaster Car or multiple distributors and struggling to find something that day? How many of you are purchasing agents that cut multiple POs to us or someone else in the same day and spend countless hours, not to mention the cost of each PO, just to get product to your facility? How many of you would be interested in a program where we provide our inventory that we own and stock in our building, on your floor, free of charge? If any of these pertain to you, you might be interested in our VMI program. What we typically do is provide a cabinet on your floor with the products that you guys choose. So it could be cables, it could be fittings, it could be sensors, anything that's something that we typically stock that's a high volume user, we provide that to you. Each bin and each cabinet has a label. It's got a location number, a part number, and a description. So if you run out of a product and you're not sure what it is, maybe it's someone in the tool crib, they can reference a location number. Typically, we send replenishments down weekly, free of charge, so you're not paying any inbound freight. Not to mention, we do consolidated billing. So once a month, you're going to get a bill. It's going to show each job number that you've pulled against if you choose to use job tracking, or maybe just a list of all the parts that you've used, and you cut us one PO at the end of the month. A lot of people that are financial gurus like this because it extends your term. So if you pull a product at the beginning of the month, you don't even get invoiced until the end of the month. If you're interested in learning more about H.H. Barnum VMI, please give us a call at 248-486-7300. Thank you.